I'm Stephanie Essen. This is IDZ Weekly. A lot of the virtual reality experiences out there are of futuristic worlds. You can step into places that seem strange and almost alien. A setting perhaps overlooked as a candidate for a VR experience is of our own historical reality. A trip into the ancient past. That is what Frederick Pourgal, CEO of ArtofCorner, envisioned as a starting point for a great VR experience. ArtofCorner Studio developed a VR application that recreates the studio of artist Antoine Bourdelle. The application allows users to explore Bourdelle's workshop in ways that would be impossible in the real world. With the use of photogrammetry in the project, this VR experience has an added layer of realism. Photogrammetry is the science of taking measurements from photographs and transporting the static photos and images into a three-dimensional experience. It makes it possible to see objects from different angles with their natural depth, texture, and lighting. The project incorporated photo capture and 3D model creation using capturing reality software. Unity was used to develop the experience, and Steam VR was the distribution platform. The power of the Intel Core i9 X Series 18-core processor made it possible to accomplish the entire project. This article on the Intel Developer Zone walks you through their creative process, from the photo capture to the 3D raw material capture and the final result. Check out the links to download and experience Antoine Bourdelle Studio for yourself, and I'll see you next Monday.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it and haven't seen any of our other videos, subscribe to the Intel Software YouTube channel. You can also connect with other developers and enthusiasts in the comments, and we'll see you all next time.